guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be making stuffed peppers, and the flavor is going to be Philly cheesesteak. For any recipes or anything like that on how we made these will be linked below, so go and check them out, and hope you enjoy. So first we start off by lightly seasoning both of our steaks with our Old West steak and burger, and then we let them sit for about 30 minutes to let the seasonings penetrate into the meat. So now that I am ready to start my steaks, I'm going to put a little olive oil into the pan. And then once that's heated and up to temperature, we'll put the steaks into the pan. So after we've got our steaks seasoned and everything, we'll take our red pepper and our orange pepper and we'll cut them into slices, and then we'll take our green pepper and we'll cut them in half. And then once we got our green peppers cut in half, we'll take our knife and just hollow out all the seeds and all the other stuff from the pepper, and then we'll take our mushrooms and just cut them in half. So after we got our peppers done and everything, we'll take our onion and we'll just cut this into small strips, kind of like how you did your red and orange peppers. So we got our peppers, onions, and our steaks here. Okay, so we'll start by putting one of our steaks into the pan. When you hear that sound, that's what you want to hear, is that immediately searing the sides. Alright, so now we'll flip our steak over with our tongs here. We leave it about a minute on each side. And now we'll add our butter and garlic into the pan. Then we'll take our spoon and we'll just start basting our steak with that butter and garlic. And then once I got them in there, I'm just going to season them with a little bit of our Old West Game and Garden. Then just go ahead and stir them around, make sure everything gets coated. Alright, so now we're going to take out our peppers that were in the oven. And then we'll start filling them with our veggies. And once we get all our veggies in there, we'll take some of our steak. And you just put that right on top. Once the steak's on there, we'll take some cheese. And just put a little bit of cheese right on top of there. Alright, now we got both of our peppers done. So they'll just go back into the oven here for about 5 minutes. And then they'll be ready to eat. Alright, so the peppers just finished, so we'll go ahead and pull them out. And then just take your tongs and take your pepper, put them onto your plate, and you're ready to eat. If you like the video, leave a big thumbs up. We'll be posting every other week, so come check out our channel, subscribe so you don't miss out on anything. And I hope you have a great day.